stand at the front of your mat in Samastitihi. Then first we'll just work on the squatting part, so without the arms. So bend the knees and come down and stop. So you're working to get your weight forward. And you can even do it, free the heels. And you want to lower your hips directly down. So as much as possible, the hips are right over the feet. And come back up to Samastitihi. It's a very economical move where you ride the knees, shins, and thighs forward and come halfway down between standing and horizontal thighs. So come down and make your thighs horizontal to the ground and stay. Okay, so the Utkatasana is about halfway in between. Come up to standing, and then go all the way till the thighs are horizontal to the ground. Back up to standing, and then economically find a halfway point, shifting forward as you come down. Then lift the navel, lift the chest. Reach down through the pinky fingers, just like Samastitihi. And you can feel that your spine goes on the diagonal, slightly in front of the vertical axis. So the weight is in the balls of the feet more than the heels. You build your lower body foundation, and then inhale, come up. And you add the arms. So you raise your arms as you squat, and you lower your arms as you stand up. Here we go. Inhale, reach and squat. Look up past the thumbs. Exhale, swim the arms in the side plane, and return to Samastitihi. Inhale, reach. First position. Exhale, Samastitihi. Okay, then the transition to second position. Inhale, reach, come to first position and stop. Then you elongate the spine and fold at the same time. Try that again. Lift the head and chest into third position, then return to first position in Utkatasana. So look forward, reach outwards through the spine, straighten the legs, lift the sitting bones, get forward, and fold into second position. Try again. Inhale, lift the chest into third position. Then take first position. Look up past the thumbs. Exhale, woo, reach outwards through the spine. Lengthen the leg bones and come to a stop in second position as you empty the lungs. Try again. Third position. And then Utkatasana. Inhale. Exhale, project the spine away, ground the femur bones back, come into second position. And we'll move on. Third position, lift the chest, roll back the shoulders, get ready, crouch and spring. Come down to Chaturanga, stop, inhale, coil the spine into the body, look up and over. Exhale, pull the hips back. To angle your left heel to the midline without shortening your stance, and then go up on your fingertips to get clearance and bring your right foot directly between your hands, creating your lunge before you come up. Then come up to like a Samastitihi position. Keep the arms down. Lift the back heel slightly and bend the left knee. So the back knee bends a little. You get the lunge, working to get the thigh parallel to the ground with the knee over the ankle and your pelvis neutral. So make a long tail, lift up the navel, reach down through the pinky fingers, lift the chest, then maintain your front leg and your pelvis torso as you extend the back leg. Come down, plant your hands, step the right leg back, lower into Chaturanga and stop. Then inhale, arch, lift up the spine as you ground the legs and arms. Exhale, pull the hips back. Angle the right heel in. Go up on your fingertips. Step the left foot right between the hands. Come up in a lunge so the left thigh is already parallel to the ground. Lift your right heel. Bend the knee a little bit in the back. Reach down through the pinky fingers. Lift up the navel and create a deep lunge. And then start extending the back leg, slowly bringing the heel towards the earth. So you're squaring the hips and shoulders. Plant the hands, step the left leg back, come to plank. Then decisively lower with the support of your arm foundation. Inhale, lift up your chest, lengthen your limbs, look up and over, and pull the hips back smoothly into 14th position of Surya Namaskara B. Where you stay for several breaths. Lengthening the breath, regularizing the breath, sending the breath along the vertical axis, galvanizing the energy of your limbs to support your spinal release. Then crouch as you empty the lungs. Get ready, spring, plant the feet, lift up the chest, push the ground with the fingers to project the chest away from the legs, and stay forward as you empty the lungs. Just like first position now. Come forward as you come up. Go halfway down through the hips, orienting your pelvis over your feet as best as you're able, reaching up brilliantly through the arms. So you get the contrast of the heavy weighted lower body and the light spinal column arms. Then return to Samastitihi, emptying the lungs with a smooth flush.